Hey there, everybody. Just like this super short video to show you a couple of things and give you a quick tip that is just going to be super fun for you guys. These are 1973 rub-on transfers. Let me take you in just a little bit closer so you can see them. There we go. I am kind of amazed that they came out so well, being from 1973. How now, I'm really bad with math. 46 years ago. So the rub-ons were made 46 years ago. I mean, that's almost 50 years. And they just did so well, and I did them on some copy dyed paper. These will be featured in my next set of tags for Kronk. I'll show you the images over here. I only had one that did not come out well at all. But look, I'm just so shocked, and I wanted to show it to you guys. You know, never underestimate the power of super vintage, right? Because you just never know how it's going to turn out. You guys know that I have been working on these hydrangea balls for my friend's shop. I did do some leaf work to this one, and I'm really like totally pleased with it. But as I'm working on hydrangeas, this is a project that I take downstairs, and then when Chris is gone, I can watch the buddy. But it's also my meditation in the morning over coffee. When I work on these, I use, this is the top from, I take lysine and valerian. I take lysine in the morning for, it's really good for your skin. And I take valerian at night to sleep. So these tops are the tops of my vitamin bottles. They make really great little receptacles for glue. So, but, you know, I am so frugal that I don't want to waste the glue that's left in these things. I know that's funny. But the other night I thought, oh, you know, I don't want to waste that glue. And it wasn't like enough to pour back into a bottle. So I put some beads, you know, just little seed beads into I just pressed them into the glue that was in the remainder of this cap. And out came, I let them dry, and then the next morning I popped these out. Aren't they just sweet? And, you know, they have they're flat on the back, so you can glue them to a piece of mixed media or use them for an embellishment. I just was so like, golly, it can't get any easier than that. So I did this one last night, and I thought we would pop this one out together, just, you know, just to kind of see what happens. This is all experimental. I don't know if it's going to all come out at the same time, you know, like this one did, which was really nice. So are we close enough? Sorry. Okay, there we go. Now. Let's see if we can pop it out. And I'm using an X-Acto knife. I did put this super cool blue triangle bead in the middle. And you do totally have to let them dry overnight. I still, you know, I'm feeling a little bit of glue still not dried on this one. But we're going to pop it out anyway, because I think it has cured enough to where it's going to pop out. We'll see. There we go. Isn't that just like fun? Now I'm really, you know, that's just another way that I can use this not only as a glue, a little glue cap thing, receptacle, but I can also recycle my glue and make a beaded embellishment. So there we go, guys. Just a couple of things today. I am trying to do a process video between taking care of the buddy. So we will see how far I get with that today. Thanks y'all for tuning in. I appreciate it. Talk to you soon. Bye.